Hello everyone and welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Florida video tour. Today we have this great golf access home located in Cape Coral. It's a beautiful home. It has an incredible backyard. Wait until you see it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you would like to receive more videos like this, remember, click below, please subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Cape Coral, Florida. Gorgeous golf access pool and hot tub home, one bridge to golf with over $90,000. In documented upgrades and improvements last 2 years. Spacious floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2-car garage with oversized circular driveway. Formal living room, family room, enclosed Florida room with built-in Gen Air grill and hurricane impact sliding doors. Open kitchen with stainless steel appliances and 2 pantries. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet, incredible master bath with a smart toilet/bidet, dual sinks and huge shower. 1 full bath has direct access from guest bedroom to pool. Second guest bedroom or office has adjacent full bath. Inside laundry room with laundry tub. New roof in 2018. Large concrete dock with sunsetter awning and Trex flooring along with captain's walk dock with 7,000-pound boat lift ungraded with 27,000-pound cables and remote control. Boat lift canvas cover, 3 aluminum ladders to canal and aluminum ramp from dock to boat. Trex walkway from dock to pool, wheelchair accessible, no steps. Underwater fish light. Heated pool with solar panels and heat pump, reverse osmosis water system for kitchen and refrigerator. Solar attic fan. Decorative lights everywhere. Continue watching this tour and don't miss the amazing backyard and dock. For full report on this home, click on the link below. For Cape Coral, Fort Myers real estate information, feel free to contact us. Remember to hit on the subscribe button for more home tours.